Thanks for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Amanda. It's been a while since our last episode, but we are back with exciting news about a series of complimentary webinars starting in March. Firstly, DigiwinSoft will be hosting a webinar titled Best Use of Budget 2023 for Manufacturers on March 10, shortly after the release of the latest Malaysia budget plan. The webinar will cover topics such as optimizing tax planning, as well as ways to ease financial burdens through grants and incentives. As a leading enterprise in management software across Asia, Digiwin Software places a high priority on staying up to date with the latest news and national strategies related to the manufacturing industry. Hence, DigiwinSoft will closely cooperate with MPC to act as a bridge between manufacturers and government organizations this year. Let's shift our focus to another location. In Thailand, DigiwinSoft conducted an on-site company visit in Thonburi on March 9. They visited Emirate, Everest Textile, and First Can Food to observe factory operations firsthand and exchange opinions with other business leaders. Additionally, DigiwinSoft Vietnam visited EPLA, a green factory that produced rubber outsoles, to gain insights into their ESG sustainable management practices. The response has been enthusiastic, and the participants have also learned a lot. While the world borders have reopened, DigiwinSoft has planned transnational visits from our base in Southeast Asia to Taiwan. On 14 March, our distributor partners RSI, Peplo, Regotech, and SmartTool flew over and had a great time here. From this opportunity, our business ally and customer can visit leading manufacturing factories and learn about their on-site experience in Taiwan. If you are interested in any of our events, feel free to visit our official website or drop us a message for further information. We would like to see you there. That's it for today. See you next time.